Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Zelle to Wise. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently, Zelle and Wise, formerly TransferWise, are separate payment platforms and direct transfers between them are not officially supported as they serve different purposes. Zelle is a US-based payment system for instant domestic transfers. Wise specializes in international money transfers and currency exchanges. However, you can use intermediary account, Wise multi-currency account, and debit card like intermediary account, your bank account, to transfer money from Zelle to Wise. So what you can do in order to transfer money from Zelle to Wise is send money to your bank using Zelle. The second step is log into your Wise account, and then initiate a transfer in Wise. Once that's done, fund the Wise transfer and then complete the transfer. And once all that's done, you'll be able to transfer money from Zelle to Wise. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.